Hi everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. This is another free session on YouTube where we'll be discussing some previous year questions, some practice questions, so that you can have a better understanding of the various things of the upcoming examination that's for December 2024. Right, so if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we have a application as well. You can download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. Right, so let's begin with the class now. Right, let's begin with the class now. So, before starting, if you're new to Botany Insider, so we have a number of courses ongoing for your information. We have a full course, we have a crash course, we have a PYQ course ongoing for the upcoming exam. If you're looking for the recorded batch, so we have a number of recorded batches as well. So, whichever is your own requirements, you can download the app and get yourself enrolled. Right, so let's begin with the class and discuss few of the previous year questions. So this is the very first question for you all. The question is, which one of the following represents the predominant source organ during the phloem translocation in the healthy plants? Which of the following represents the predominant source organ during the phloem translocation in the healthy plants? So roots, developing fruits, immature leaves and the mature leaves. Where do you see the maximum phloem translocation in the healthy plants, which is the predominant source organ? So roots, developing fruits, immature leaves and the mature leaves. Try marking the answer for the question, everyone. That everyone, which of the following represents the predominant source during the phloem translocation? So which of the following is a predominant source? Simple question. So it's your mature leaves, which are the predominant organ source during the phloem translocation in the healthy plants. Next question. This one is a general aptitude question. The question is, if pencils are erasers, some erasers are sharpeners, some erasers are crayons, no crayons are sharpeners, but some of the crayons are pencils with then in the given Venn diagram, which of the following is represented by the shady area? So the shaded area is representing which of the following? If pencils are erasers, erasers are sharpeners, some of the erasers are crayons, no crayon is a sharpener, right? Crayon and sharpener does not have a correlation together, but some of the crayons are pencils, right? So, which of the following is represented by the shaded area? Try finding the answer for the question, everyone, and we do it together. Done? Try to find the answer, then we'll do it together. Done? Okay. Let's see. The question is if the pencils are erasers. Now, pencil are erasers. So let's consider this one as pencil and this as erasers. Right. Now, some erasers are sharpeners. So some of the erasers, okay, other way around. Pencils are erasers. So pencil is this, eraser is this. Some of the erasers are sharpeners. Some of the erasers are crayons. No crayon is are sharpeners, but some of the crayons are pencils. Then in this diagram, which of the following is the correct one? So this is pencil, this is eraser, this is sharpener, this is crayon. That's the depiction we can make out of it. Now, this particular area is pencil plus sharpeners. No, these are pencils, erasers, but no sharpeners in crayon. No, crayons are also there. Then pencil, sharpener, eraser, but no crayons. No, these are pencils and erasers and crayons, but no sharpeners. So fourth is the correct answer for this particular question. You just have to observe it. You just have to analyze what the question is asking you, and you're good to go for this particular question. Very, very easy question. Very, very easy. You just have to analyze it. The question looks very difficult on the first go, but if you understand and analyze the entire segment properly, it's very easy. Next, this is the very first time that the CSIR asked a question related to the spider diagram. They have never asked a question before in last 10 years related to the spider diagram. The question over here is the following spider diagram shows the marks obtained by three students. Which of the following is incorrect? So for this particular question, it's better for you to first make up a diagram, make up a table kind of a structure so that you get to understand that how or what the information is given to you, and then you have to analyze it accordingly. Right? Following is a spider diagram given to you. So three students are there, student A, student B, and student C. And you need to make a table for the same, right? Student A, B, C, and five different tests are there. When you make a table, you get this particular table out of this entire segment. So first one is saying that A scored, like how do you have to do it? So test one, test two, and test three. Test one, there are 10 marks, like 0 to 10. So first student scored in test one, 9 marks. In test two, he scored 5, then 5 again, then 8, and then 5. Right, so that's the first one. So you can just make a note of all the things over here, and as and when you make a table like this, you can have the final conclusion in your hand, and as a result of the conclusion, you can write down the answers accordingly. That is, A scored more than C, B scored the highest. The B scored the highest. Yes, this one is the correct statement. Then A never scored a 10. That's also correct. You need to find out the incorrect option. So no one scored, like only student second scored 10 and student third scored 10, but A never scored a 10. That was a correct statement. B and C scored it. A never scored it. In test 5, the combined marks of first and third is equal to the marks of second. Test 5, combined marks of A and C are equal to combined marks of A and C in test 4. 5. It is 9, which is equal to the marks of second, which is also correct. So, fourth is the answer for this particular question, right? So, answer for this is option number 4. Very simple question. Simple and easy. Next, which one of the following is a communicating junction linking the adjacent cells in the plants, which permits the small molecule to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large molecules? Which of the following is a communicating junction linking the adjacent cells in the plants that permit the small molecules to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large cells? Adherence junction, gap junction, plasmodesmata, and hemidesmosomes. Very simple question. Answer for this is plasmodesmatas. So, which of the following is a communicating junction linking the adjacent cells in the plants, which permits the small molecule to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large molecules? Answer for this is option number 3. The plasmodesmata is the correct answer. Next, during which of the following statements regarding pepcase is not correct? Which of the following statement about the pepcase is not correct? That's what you have to find out. Which of the following statement regarding the peptase is incorrect? During the day, C4 peptase is inactive, whereas CAM peptase is active. Peptase is inactivated by dephosphorylation. Peptase kinase phosphorylates the peptase. Then the synthesis of peptase kinase is modulated by circadian rhythm in the CAM leaf. So which of the following statement regarding peptase is incorrect? So first one is saying like you must have learned about this, about the C4, C2, C3 pathway. That in the C4 pathway, the peptase is inactive, and whereas CAM peptase is active is a wrong statement because the CAM pathway have your scotoactive stomatas, and scotoactive stomatas are active during the night time, and hence your peptase enzyme is active during the night time, and C4 plants have peptase active during the daytime. So this is a wrong statement which you had to find out, right? So first is the answer for this particular question. Very simple, very easy. You just have to remember all the important information related to like the main characteristic feature for your C2, C3, C4 pathway and CAM pathway, and you're good to go for this question, right? I hope it's clear. So these were the questions for today. I hope we have discussed five questions, two of the general aptitude and other theoretical. So I hope everything is clear to everyone till here. We'll discuss the remaining questions in tomorrow's class. Try joining in the live session on regular basis because you'll be able to revise and recall a number of different things. Okay, Saurabh, I'll check this particular thing and I'll make sure about the same in the next class. Right, so let's meet in the next class now, everyone. I hope this class was helpful. Bye, everyone. Take care.